best to first confirm XVR Wi-Fi built-in mic camera has been added. Go to Configuration. Go to Device. We can confirm that XVR is added in the device list. And channel 2 is the built-in mic camera. We need to set up the audio settings from the XVR side. Go to Camera. Go to Encode. In Audio, Video, select Channel with built-in mic. Here, Channel 2. Click Audio. Enable audio encode for mainstream. Here, we need to select audio source as camera. It is highly recommended to enable substream as well. Click Apply to finish. Now we can verify the functionality in the DSS client. Go to Monitoring Center. Drag to display the camera with built-in mic in live view. Locate the control bar that appears and enable audio.
Hello.